This is our campus tour vlog, and welcome to DLSU!
Of the students from College of Business and School of Economics. Fun fact, this is the only building in the 100 best architecture in the world from the Philippines. So yes, as you can see, LS is under renovation in order to improve scholastic environment for the students. So this is Pericos, the canteen in the LS building. It has Wi-Fi, it's breezy, and there's food. The three essentials of a college student. So now, I will be touring you on the second floor of the LS building. It is composed of 3 floors, 4 including the brothers floor. So now we're here on the second floor and I will be showing you our building chapel. Right here, it's beautiful. This is where most of the masses are held, especially for the athletes before UFC. So guys, this is the amphitheater. This is where majority of the outdoor events hosted by orgs are taking place. And there's also a pond there with a cute little turtle named Amphigol. So now let's head on to Huge. Let's go! Building. It is named after Don Enrique Yuchenko, and right behind me you can see the museum.
Hello guys, so we're in Brother Conan Hall. It is the home of the clinic, the student publication office, the cow orgs, the different organizations under CSO, USG, and S-Life. So we're in St. Joseph Hall, or SJ. It is the home for College of Science majors and students. It also houses different science labs, and also it houses an auditorium here. So this is the faculty center. It houses the different departments in DLSU. It is also used to be the old library. So aside from handling the different departments of DLSU, the faculty center also houses various discussion rooms in which students and teachers can interact and meet.
Hey guys, we're currently here at the St. Marie Hall. It's one of the oldest buildings here in DLSU, and it's often used during Halloween for horror house events or for Taffer dance. So I'll give you guys a tour. Let's go! So that looks like it's very old, as you can see, but hey, the classrooms are still very cool. Let's head on to the next building. Hey guys, so this is the St. Miguel Hall. It's where most of the liberal arts students have their classes. And look at all these photographs taken by the CLA people. It's very beautiful. This is the photo studio for CLA students as well. And more photos! Look at all these photos. So there are more classrooms upstairs, but we'll head on to the next building, which is Velasco. So guys, this is Velasco Hall. This is where most of the engineering students have their classes, and many laboratories can be found in this building as well.
conferences halls for the events of very major talks, and also sometimes kapag enrollment dito pumipila ang mga estudyante. So we are here at the Learning Commons at the 6th of Henry C. Senior Building. Dito makikita ang coffee bean, and also there would be sometimes live viewings of the game, iba't ibang movies, ganun. And also here, pwede mag-computers and mag-aral.
Uy! So we are here at the 9th floor of Henry C. Building, and all in all, the library consists of 8 floors. So from the 6th floor to the 14th floor. Currently we're here at the 9th floor. So this floor consists, and the other floors as well, consist of quiet rooms, study areas for group study, and also some areas being able to, for you to access the computers. So quiet.
Floor of the Henry C. Building. So we are here at the Enrollment Services Hub, also known or called as the Hub. So pag sinabing the Hub, it would mean that you would go here to request documents, to pay for something. So beside the Hub is the OAS, also known as the Office of Admissions and Scholarships. So when students have concerns about scholarships or they would like to inquire, they go here. And when they would like to do payments or to request documents, they go here. So this is the hub. We are here at Lumen, also known as Animal Biz. So here, if you can see, dito bibili ang mga Lasalians ng mga food if they're on the way. And also, nandito ang radio station. So here, dito pag tuwing break or maraming tao, dito nagkakaroon ng radio, live radio, ang Giant FM. So let's eat.
STRC, or the Science, Technology and Research Complex, is known for its laboratories, and people from COS and COE go here for their application, experiments, and their laboratories. This is Enrique M. Razon Sports Center. Tara, let's go in. So this is Enrique Razon's swimming pool. Hi guys, so this is Razon's Oval. People go here to jog, work out, or train. As you can see downstairs, there's a lot of basketball court. There's also a basketball court upstairs, but sadly there's training. This is the Andrew Gonzalez Building. Yeah, let's go. So Andrew Gonzalez Building has a lot of classrooms, and it's the tallest academic building. It also has an auditorium, canteen, and speech laboratories.
Hey guys, this is Gokongwei Hall. It's the home of all the CCS students, and in this building you can expect really fast Wi-Fi. People during enlistment go here to enlist their classes. And yeah, it's a very, nice building. So yeah, let's head on to our ADVOCPR classroom. Oh my gosh! Okay, we have class. We still have class, so we will see